Happy Tuesday. Let's hop our arrow over. It is Tuesday, still in that month of April, the 27th. Today is Tuesday, April 27th. There's our word Tuesday. Tuesday. Today is Tuesday. Okay, if we're thinking about our time, today let's show 4:30. 4:30. How would we show 4:30? There's also another way to say that. Might help you with that digital clock. 4:30 or 4:30. Did you say it that way? 4:30 or 4:30, right? Our hour 4 goes closer to 5. It's halfway in between and halfway around our clock. If we go back to 4 o'clock, right, we get halfway around the clock. It's like a big circle. Then it becomes 4:30 or 4:30 on our analog clock. Or our digital clock, we write 4 for the hour. 30 minutes is 4:30. 4:30 or 4:30. Okay, let's check out our day today. Today's number, 90. 90. A 9, a 0. We have our number word 9, then we add that TY. 90 is our number. Okay. If 90 is our number, think about its place value, what we know about 90. Show me how many tens, how many ones, and what does that look like with our base 10 blocks? All right. How many tens? How many ones? What does it look like with our base 10 blocks? A few more seconds. Did you say there were 9 tens? 0 ones? Then I remembered when I did my 9 ones, there were 3 and 3 and 3. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. So that I have 9 tens and 0 ones up there. So we could write it as 90 plus 0. Because there's 0 more ones, right? Is a way we could show it in that expanded form. 90. Okay, let's think about it on our hundreds chart. Now it's a little different because if we look, 90, really there's no more numbers over here, right, next to it. Because something happens on our hundreds chart. Once we get to that 10 group, we start back with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We count by ones more, right? It's part of the magic. Once it gets to 10, then we hop back and start over again. So even though we're going to write it over here, we know really on the hundreds chart it comes way back over. What is 1 more? Yeah, 91. It's like adding 1 more. Now this is kind of tricky though. We have to think about what's 1 less. Because I don't have a 1 to take away from. I have to think about that group of 10. If I take 1 away from 10, then I have 9 ones. And only 8 tens, which means 89, right? 1 less 89 comes right before. Oh, now this one shouldn't be too tricky. What's 10 less? We're really good at counting on the decades. 10 less right before 90 is 80. 80, 90. 10 more would get us to 100. Gotta be careful. It's got 3 numbers. We gotta squish it in. 100. 80, 90, 100. Nice. Okay, let's check out how many days we've been in first grade now. Too many things. I want to get rid of our fact family. We'll need that in a minute. Okay, yesterday, 145. We are going to add always one more day of learning and getting smarter and being ready for second grade. So if we had 5 ones before, we had 1 more in. 5 and 1 more. 6. We have 6 ones now. Still have our 4 tens and our 100. So 145 plus 1 more would be 146. 146 days smarter. Let's see, let's add another sticker. 145. 1 more is 146. We got it. Okay, now remember we're working on those amounts. I see some pennies worth 1 cent. I do see some nickels worth 5 cents. And I even see some dimes worth 10 cents. I don't see any quarters. We don't need any 25 cents. Okay, so let's think. If you had a dime, a nickel, and 2 pennies, or 3 nickels and 2 pennies, how much money do we have? Let's see. If I remember counting by 5s, I could say 5, 10, 15. Then I have to count 1 more. 16, 17. Does that work this way? 10 and 5. Well, that's like 15. Yeah. 16, 17. So this is 2 ways that show 17 cents in our piggy bank today. Okay, our last thing before we go. We have another fact family to do. Today I have 3 and 1. What would our total be? If I have 3 and 1 more, or 1 and 3 more, I would have 4 is my total. So 2 addition equations, right? We've got 3 plus 1, or its turnaround, 1 plus 3. They both equal 4. Now that takeaway, what do we have to remember? Takeaway, start with our total. Takeaway, total. We need our total first. 4 take away 1 should equal 3. Woohoo! So then 4 take away 3 should equal 1. We did it! We made a fact family for 1, 3, and 4. Or 3, 1, and 4. Excellent job. Okay, I'll see you tomorrow for Wednesday or Hump Days calendar.